Hi everyone, this is Dave Creating the Heart, and I'm back with a really small Tuesday morning haul as well as a Lawn Fawn haul that I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. I must have missed the boat. I know I missed the boat because right when I got there, there was a lady in there who had grabbed every single Maggie Holmes item that there was, and she was deciding what she wanted, and I think grabbed just about everything that was there. And she just had her cart full. So I kind of missed the boat. I mean, literally right before me. So it happens. I did get a couple things. And maybe in retrospect, it's a good thing that she took it because then I spent less money, right? So this is Sunkissed. It's 16 sheets. It's the pattern in solids. I do have this collection, the pattern papers. So I'm loving getting this one because I really do like the patterns that come in this one. So this is Graphic 45. It's $3.99. It's 217-8446. And then they also had the chipboard, which is great because normally it's like $6 for $1.99. Get the chipboard for this collection, and it's 217-8447. And then I also went ahead and picked up the stickers, which are normally $5 and it's $1.99, 217-8446. So that's, to me, it's really good, a good deal. And then I also picked these up because I'm trying to decide if I want to make an album with it, if I want to put it in an album, or use it in junk journal. I like having options. So this is $1.99, 217-8416. It is these like policy envelopes that they sell. I really like them. And I mean, you can make your own, but these are pretty nice. And then I can never, ever find envelopes. I don't know where they all went, or if I just used them all. Maybe it's a good sign that I used them all. But I bought the last two that they had for $2.99. You get 50 envelopes, A2 size, and 2112731. It's just a good staple to have. Let's see, a couple other things. I did find the very last one of these. She didn't find this one. And that's the Willow Lane 6x8 by Maggie Holmes for $2.99, 2139103. So that was a good deal. I did find these, even though, ironically enough, as a librarian, I have tons of pockets and cards. But I don't have them in this color, so I have them in white. Because I don't use cards anymore. So I have tons of them if I want to use them. Anyway, these are called library tags, $1.49, 2112732. So I got that. And then a couple other things. She put these back, so I was able to get these, or she put them back at the checkout. This is a wood veneer shapes by Jen Hatfield. I like these a lot. These are hearts. These are really great for albums or just on the front, embellishments and things like that. 2137487, $2.99. I liked that. And I really liked these ones. These are printed ones. There was also tags. I decided not to get the tags because I don't have the rest of the collection. But these on their own are really cute. 2137417. It's $2.49. It's from the homemade collection. I don't know, but you can see here, if you can get a look at that, the tags and the different wood veneers. They all have printed on them. I think it's really cool. And then I got the journaling ephemera. This, they say this was $10. Maybe it was. Dang, $4.99. They had a ton of this one left, actually. 2139108, and you get a bunch of these lovely tags, which you can make yourself. I mean, I think what's cool is using that as an inspiration piece. So let me show you the rest of what I got. Put this stuff out of the way. I have just a ton of stuff to put away from all my crafting adventures. Okay, first, this is not Lawn Fawn. I saw Bona show this die, and I really liked what she did with it. It's from Live Love Scrap. So I went ahead and picked this up on Amazon. It's the thank you die. Apparently it was found at Tuesday morning, but of course my Tuesday morning has been, worked over. So I wanted to show you guys what I got from Lawn Fawn. So Lawn Fawn has a special. If you have an account with them, you can put in your birthday, and then when it's your birthday month, they will email you, let you know that you have a special code. get 10% off their shop. And you also get a free cute little stamp with die. So this one I got this little koala bear hat. It comes with a little hat and the die, and then it comes with this as well. It says qualified to party. So you get a whole little set for free. So I think that's just such a sweet idea. And then I feel like I might have bought this twice, but I don't know. Anyway, I did buy a few things for my 10% off because, you know, I don't think I had to buy anything to get that. I can't remember. Or maybe I had to buy something. This is a little sparkle, and it's this cute little unicorn, and it has these little fairies. And it says, hope your day sparkles. And then I also got the little die, so I got 10% off on that. And then I got this one, which I thought was adorable. This one's called Peacock Before and Afters, because I do have that Magic Changer die, which I haven't used yet, which I'm going to use, hopefully. So here you go, very cute. And I got the little die that goes with it. And they also give you a selection of paper, so you actually could make projects and things with your kid. All you need is ink. So that's really good from Lawn Fawn. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Praying with a Heart.